Okay, folks, looking at solving equations involving exponentials. Okay, so this is question 6. Given that y equals 2 to the x, part A, express 4 to the x in terms of y. So express 4 to the power of x in terms of y. Or 4 can be written as 2 times 2 or 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, which better yet, I can write it as a power, an index, so 2 squared or 2 to the 2. 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so 4 can be rewritten as 2 squared, okay, all to the x. Now here's the key, guys. When I have a power to a power, okay, I'm actually going to multiply them, but I can actually swap this around and write it as 2 to the power of x all squared. These things mean the exact same thing because when I multiply using the index law, I get 2 to the 2x on the left hand side, and 2 to the 2x because x times 2 is same as saying 2 times x. Okay, again, obviously check that here if you're unsure. So that's why I can do that because multiplication here is what we call commutative, so I can swap them around. Okay, so in terms of y, well, if y equals 2 to the x, 2 to the x all squared, that will equal to y squared. So 4 to the x is equal to y squared. What about part B? Hence or otherwise, solve this equation. 4 to the x, okay, minus 6 brackets 2 to the x minus 16 is equal to 0. We are going to use our trusty substitution of let y equal 2 to the x. Now, obviously, from part A, 4 to the x will become y squared. So you have y squared minus 6 lots of y because it's 6 times 2 to the x. So 6 times y minus 16 is equal to 0. So I've got here a disguised, a hidden quadratic. I can now factorize this or use the formula or complete the square. So that will go to y minus 8 multiplied by y plus 2 or y minus 8 times y plus 2. Okay. So my solutions, guys, so I'm going to flip the signs. So yeah, either when y minus 8 equals 0 or y plus 2 equals 0. So either y is equal to 8 or y is equal to minus 2. Now going back to our equation, we're saying that 2 to the x is equal to this. So we've got 2 to the x is equal to 8 and 2 to the x equals minus 2. Well, 2 to the power of what gives you 8? Well, 2 cubed is 8, so 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So x equals 3 is our answer. And if you're unsure about this, obviously revise your powers of 2, but again, use logarithms here, which I haven't covered just yet on this video. Okay, I have got it on my other videos, so use logarithms or log laws or logarithmic, functional notation to solve the equation. And then this one has no solution because I can't do, because 2 to the power of any number will always be positive. Okay, so 2 to the x not never equal minus 2. Hence, my only solution to this equation is x is equal to 3. Okay, and obviously check it if you're unsure. You'll have 4 cubed, subtract 6 lots of 2 cubed, and then subtract 16. If you plug this into your calculator, you should get 0. So 4 cubed will be 64, minus 6 lots of 2 cubes, so that'd be minus 6 times 8, so minus 48, minus 16, and you do indeed get 0, okay, because minus 48 minus 16 becomes minus 64, 64 minus 64, 64 subtract 64, and I get 0, okay? So that, guys, is my solution, okay? So yeah, an exponential looks something like this if you're wondering. You pass it through the point 0, 1, 1 on the y-axis, okay? Never ever touches or crosses the x-axis because I can't, because any value of x, okay, the value of y will always be positive because, because 2 to the power of, let's say, minus 6 is 1 over 64, which is a decimal, which is still a positive number, okay, so okay. So that is our answer for question 6, and I got this from the Maths Genie website. And this is aimed at British students in the UK, year 12, year 13 in the UK, so sixth form students. okay, age 16 and above, who are sitting their A-level exams this year or next academic year on the October resits, okay, for ASP or mathematics, okay. So yeah, so that is looking at some disguised quadratics, working with indices, and obviously looking at some basic exponential equations. Okay, thanks for watching.